Hello, YouTube. How's everybody doing tonight? I just want to kind of show you a little bit how about what to do when you're putting these flyers together to send out for cash in the box. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. To bit this down a little bit, but all I do is take all the flyers. Just, I got four of them. I'll put it in one envelope. All right. Then I'll show you. I got these folded up. Let's fold them. Put number 10 envelope. Seal it. I already got my name, return address up here. Oh, yeah, right here. And where it's going. Now I'll put these to kind of help keep them from returns coming back. You just don't want to get some every once in a while and stuff, but this is the new residual flyer. You can come in over here at 35, 75, 150, 250, or 575. And this is great, man. It's like, because there's three, down here, there's three levels, which means, like, let's say I mail out 100. I would send, well, I wouldn't say I'm starting right now. I would send three payments to one to the company and two to people in the flyer. And then if I sign somebody up, they would send a payment one to the company, one to me, and one to my sponsor, and so on and so on. And then like when they get people under them, well, my name would drop off, and they would get a payment. One to them, go to the company, one to them, and one to their sponsor. That's how it works. And I also got this, man. This helps out a lot when it comes to stamps. Because you always want to have a backup plan because the stamps are the main part of your business to find the leads. But I got this in the mail. This is one of the ones I use. And then I have this one. This one here, like when somebody signs up, they send 40 stamps to everybody on the list here. Now let's go back to this one. They would send $20 and 5 books of stamps to the company and to me. And then I got these made up too. This is my cover letter. But I decided to add my other streams of income that I work do too, because everybody needs multiple streams when it comes to working online. There's all my information on there, if you can see it. Camera's all fuzzy there. I ain't really done too much on the webcam on here, so that's about it. If you're interested in cash in the box, either the regular program, which I'll show you a flyer of that real quick, is this one. This is the all level one. Has different levels up here. But on this one, you can review all the information on my website. It's benefitwithtrey.com. You can email me at treyferryman@gmail.com, or you can just call or text me at 937-536-3253. Oh, yeah, before we go, I want to show you the postcards I got yesterday, too. I'm really taking this business to the max as I can. I sent out 200 of these today, but my goal is to send out 200 of them and at least 100 or 200 letters a week. That would kick this off and get me rolling and making some extra money from home. So if you're looking for a not expensive way to start a home-based business, this is the perfect opportunity. Got different levels for anybody. And every month we have specials. Right now our special is running through the 15th. So get with me. We can discuss the program more in detail and stuff. Hope everybody has a good night. God bless everybody. This is Trey from Ohio. Signing out.